guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brenda and I film lifestyle vlogs. Consider subscribing for more episodes to come. Today's video is a weekday morning routine. It's summer, so I thought maybe filming an updated routine would motivate others to consider more structure in the morning. So as of now, the first thing I do when I get up is put my smartwatch on. I like to count every step as soon as possible, especially since I immediately go downstairs to work out. That is reality. That is what I prefer to do. As I head downstairs, I've had a tendency to open up these blinds because it's summer right now, so I'm not really going crazy with opening all the blinds like I do at other times in the year. But I definitely am trying to get into a really good habit of working out every day in the morning. And I'm proud to say that it's something that I've been able to sustain. Working out in the morning and stretching has been more fun in this season. The sun is up very early and the sunlight just motivates me. And working out in the morning is not easy, but it definitely can help you feel a sense of accomplishment as well as rejuvenated and recharged. It is known that exercise leads to the secretion of neurotransmitters that promote mental clarity and an improved attention span as well. I believe that if you are in a good headspace, you'll be more mindful of what you eat during the day. Also, exercise and sleep go hand in hand because getting enough sleep is linked to weight loss. Of course, to accomplish a morning workout, you must have a night routine that can feed your motivation the next morning. Currently in this season, I like to work out 3 days a week for a minimum of 30 minutes. That is my weekly goal. It's like the standard. So if I meet my standard goal, then I feel accomplished. And if I meet the goals earlier in the week, I use the rest of the week to go to the gym, and I'll do 3 miles of cardio and strength training as well. But it's not a priority because honestly, it's truly challenging to juggle your day job and a perfect workout routine. So for me, realistically, 3 days a week for 30 minutes is reachable and challenging enough. After my workout, I head into shower, then start my skincare routine. Currently, I've been into applying oil-free gel moisturizer on my face. This is the Energy Boosting Ginseng by Origins, and it's been really good on my skin. During the summer, I definitely gravitate towards oil-free products for my skin because I have acne-prone skin. Then I apply my SPF. This one is the Plantscription brand by Origins, and it's oil-free as well. I've been using this SPF for years, and I love it. I reapply it throughout the day, especially if I'm going to go outside and spend some time under the sun. But obviously, you guys know that I like to wear hats as well, especially during the summer. It's just very important to protect your skin from the sun, and I apply it down my neck as well during the summer because you don't want to burn your skin. Then I go in and I apply my Neosporin because I accidentally burned my forehead with the curling iron last week, and I'm coming up to a week with this burn thing, and I'm applying Neosporin. I wasn't going to film it, but I'm like, okay, I'm trying to show the realistic routine, and that's been the routine. And then I move on to my makeup routine, which is super simple right now. I just apply the primer that's meant to minimize your pores. Then I apply this concealer. It's pretty thick and it's full coverage, and I really like it to cover blemishes and other things that you want to cover up on your face, and it works really well. And I blend it with a Real Technique makeup sponge, and I really like this brand. I've used other brands like the ones that Sephora carries and everything, and I kind of feel like they're a bit overpriced for what they do. This sponge is much more economic and it does the job, especially if you take care of your sponges. And then I apply the Fenty Beauty Hydration Pro Filter foundation, and then I go in with the Benefit brand Goof Proof brow pencil, and I just brush my eyebrows. And that is it. I did not apply any eye makeup that day, just kept it really clean and simple. I headed downstairs. At this point, it was 8:15, and I did my breakfast protein smoothie. I've been into this during the weekdays. I just basically do soy milk, I add some banana, and then the protein powder. I will link the protein powder that I use in the description below, but I've been using this for many, many years as well. I love it. At one point, our band was sponsored by them, and it was really cool. After I drink my smoothie, I make my coffee because I have to have coffee in the morning. I just have to. So definitely brew a cup of that. It was the Starbucks Espresso Roast Blend, and then I enjoy that while I do some reading. Of attentiveness and gratitude to God. After I read my daily devotional, I do my self-affirmations, and it's a video by Lavendary. I'll link the one that I'm following in the description below. I am grateful for a new day. I am grateful for a new day. I feel peaceful and balanced. I feel peaceful and balanced. Then I move on to tidying up our bedroom. Making the bed is a huge thing that I love to do in the morning. I would prefer to do so as soon as I wake up, but right now in this season, I'm trying to get into the habit of just working out. So as you saw earlier, I jumped out of bed and just basically started working out. So in this season, I'm doing the bed kind of at the end of my routine, but it gets done, and definitely recommend making your bed in the morning. After making the bed, I head out to the balcony to water the plants. And I hadn't watered the plants in a few days. I water them like maybe every 2 or 3 days. It just depends on the weather. We've had really weird waves of heat, and just it hasn't really been consistent heat waves. After I water the plants, I like to sit out in our balcony and do some gratitude journaling with the presence of my plants. Really love our plants right now, and it just feels like really peaceful up in the balcony now, and just like watching the beautiful summer blue sky and feeling the summer breeze is just so peaceful. And that is my morning routine. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. I follow only golden things, gold hair.